VPN, or a managed SSH access path? The right answer depends on what your team needs to reach, how broadly it needs to reach it, and how you want that access to operate day to day. Start with the scope. Some tasks need access across a private network. Others need an authorized engineer to reach one Linux device for a specific support or operations task. A VPN can be the right fit when an authorized user needs broader private network access, multiple services, or several destinations that already belong to the same operating workflow. Before selecting a tool, ask 3 questions. What must be reachable? Who needs access? And what needs to be controlled, recorded, or reviewed after the session? For focused device access, the workflow can be different. The device maintains outbound reachability to its ShellHub server, and authorized users connect through the central SSH access path rather than treating the device as a broadly reachable network endpoint. In ShellHub, select the device and copy its SSH ID. Then connect from a standard SSH client. Once connected, the work remains familiar SSH. Verify the target and complete the authorized task through the managed access path. Choose VPN when broad private network access is the operational need. Choose a focused managed SSH path when the task is controlled access to specific Linux devices. In many environments, the 2 approaches can also be complementary. Map the access your team actually needs, then test the workflow in a lab before you standardize it. For a focused Linux device access path, explore the ShellHub documentation.